There's a C-stand with a big softbox in my living room at all times. It's just a pain to take down. It has slowly stopped feeling like equipment and started feeling like furniture. At first, I felt a bit guilty about it, like I should fold everything away and only set it up when needed. But the truth is, I don't mind anymore. Actually, I think I like the idea of my kids growing up around softboxes, and lately I've been wondering what that actually does. What happens when this kind of thing just becomes normal at home? When I was a kid, I used to help my grandpa grow vegetables at his summer house. I didn't care much about it back then, and for years I didn't grow anything. But around my 30s something changed. I suddenly felt this urge to grow my own food, and now I do it regularly. It's slow, tied to the seasons, and I think that's why I like it. And the funny thing is that I didn't plan for that interest to come back. It just did. I've been reviewing a lot of gear for my YouTube channel. Lights, modifiers, flashes, lenses. And the funny thing is that without even realizing it, my daughter started recording videos with my phone. She unboxes the gifts she gets and sends them to her grandma. No plan, no strategy, no audience, just creating. And I'm not going to lie, I'm very proud of her. It makes me think that maybe just being around something is enough for it to stick. Kids don't really listen to what you say, they copy what you do. I don't know what my kids will end up doing. Maybe nothing related. It would be amazing if one day they became filmmakers, creators, or actors just because they grew up surrounded by all of this. But even if they don't, I think there's something valuable in just growing up in an environment where creating things feels normal. There's no pressure from me. What matters is that they feel free to try things, to put something out into the world. Because I believe that no matter what they choose to do, being able to create, share, and build something around themselves is going to matter more than ever. So yeah, for now, the C-stand is staying in the living room. And maybe that's not just laziness. Maybe that's the environment I'm building. And if one day they look back and say, I grew up around softboxes, maybe that's why I feel this urge to create. I'll probably get emotional and feel proud of the kind of home we've built. This is the kind of newsletter I enjoy writing, and the kind I would read on a slow Sunday, so I thought I'd try sharing it here as a video as well. It's different from my usual gear content, and I don't expect it to perform the same. But if it made you think or stayed with you after watching, I'd love to hear it in the comments. And if you'd rather get this by email, there's a link in the description. Thanks for being here.